Hello, y'all. It is 8:27. I'm about to eat dinner. So this is just some salmon and some onions. I just cut the salmon up into chunks and cooked it on the stove in some butter and fresh lemon juice and seasoned it up with my sea salt, adobo, black garlic, and some black pepper, some fresh black pepper, and some dill seasoning. And that was it. So this is my dinner. This I think is about a pound of salmon. So yeah, this is over a little over a pound of salmon. It's just one. It was one large piece. Earlier today after church, I want to say it was about 1 o'clock, 1:30 or so. I had 4 pieces of bacon and my iced coffee, and so that was it. And so now I'm about to have dinner, some water, and that'll be it for me for the night. And hopefully I could go to sleep. I took that melatonin back because it did not work. It was like eating candy. And I got this, so hopefully this will help and I get a little bit of sleep. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace. Hello, my people. It is Sunday night. So what you are seeing here is some beef ribs. That is for me. I just took them out the oven. I did a little cheat code that me and my husband do. When we make ribs, mostly it's spare ribs or whatever, I season them, wrap it in aluminum foil and put it in the oven. So that's what I did with this. So now what I'm about to do is I'm gonna just stick it in the air fryer for a couple of minutes, and put some steak sauce on it. Although I don't have to, I could eat it just like this. But yeah, I'm gonna pour some steak sauce on it. I may just put the steak sauce on the side, but I'm gonna put them in the air fryer for a little bit just to get a little crispiness to them. The black of what you see on here is black garlic. Let me show you. So I'm gonna show you my seasonings that I used for this. I used this Kinder's. I like Kinder's seasoning, but I used this on here. Sprinkled a little bit of my Redmond's real salt on here. My adobo I buy from Sprouts in the bulk seasoning. I believe it is organic, if I'm not mistaken. That's the code that they have to put in to ring it up. And then I saw this at Trader Joe's. They have ground fermented black garlic. And so I've been using this on my meat. Product of South Africa. So yeah. So that is what I seasoned my beef ribs with. So I'm gonna put these in the air fryer. My sons are eating, I made them steaks, a baked potato, and some cream spinach. So that's what they're having. I'm just gonna have this. Also, I'm gonna have a mozzarella, tomato, onion, and cucumber salad as well. So stay tuned for my video. So here you go. I have a small heirloom tomato. It was very small. Onion. I didn't do the cucumbers. And then I have my mozzarella ball right here. And this is the mozzarella that I use. It's called burrata. It has a cheese filled, a cream cheese filled in the middle. So it's fresh mozzarella with cheese filled with shreds of mozzarella soaked in cream. So it's like a cream cheese type in the middle. And basically I made like a Capri salad. I love mozzarella and tomato salads. So to season it, I used my Redmond's real salt, some cracked pepper, a drizzle of soy sauce, and a cap full of extra virgin olive oil. If you're going to do extra virgin olive oil, this is the brand that you want to get, California Olive Ranch. They was tested as being one of the best, and all olive oil and not mixed with cut with cheap oils. And they also have the harvest date on all of their bottles. So this is the only extra virgin olive oil that I buy is California Olive Ranch. So that is what's on my mozzarella salad. I ended up not putting the ribs in the air fryer because they really didn't need to be cooked anymore. My steak sauce right here is Primal Kitchen steak sauce. It's sugar-free, but it is good. Very clean ingredients. So if you're trying to change over how you eat, if you care about the ingredients that are in your products, Primal Kitchen is the way to go. All of their stuff is sugar-free. I even use the ketchup. I use also some of the salad dressings as well when I was eating the salad. So yeah, I switched over. Some of the salad dressings was good. Some of them I really didn't like, but I will say their steak sauce and their ketchup is good. So that is it. This is my dinner for tonight. So I'll see y'all later. Peace. So I'm about to make some air fryer pork chops. The coating that you see on it is pork rinds that I made myself. This is what I use. These are really good and by Epic, and they have different flavors. I just chose the sea salt and pepper because I season it myself. What I did was I put it in the food processor. So this is what it looks like once you put in the food processor. It's probably better for you to find a company like Pork Rind Kings who sell it because you get a lot more for the price. When you buy them like this, you may only get 1 or 2 uses out of it depending on how much meat you're trying to coat. And these pork rinds can run anywhere from $3 to $5 a bag. So basically, I seasoned up my pork chops. I sprayed them with Chosen Foods avocado spray and coated them in the pork rind crumbs. So there you have it. Hello, it's Sunday. I'm gonna eat my first meal. It's 2:18. And these are some short ribs. They look like brontosaurus ribs. So what I did was I seasoned them up and I just put them in the air fryer and cooked them just like I do my steaks. Normally what I would do is put them in the crock pot and let them boil down, but I didn't want them like that. I wanted them cooked like my steak. These had some very good marbleization on them. And I put some Primal Kitchen sugar-free steak sauce, which is very good. So let me see if I can lift these up without making a mess. So see that? And I just put some Redmond sea salt and some adobo seasoning on it. And then tonight I'm going to have a ribeye for dinner to get myself back on track for the week. Because I haven't really been eating much over the weekend. I have, but I haven't been eating right or as much as I should. So this will help me get back on track, eating my meals, not snacking, and go from there. This is our last week of Channel Chilltown's fitness challenge. So we're going to try to make the best of it for the week. So I'll be back later. Hello, it's Thursday, 8:23. Came back from the gym, did arm, upper body today. Came in, started cooking. So this is basically a burger, hamburger meat. I put some shredded cheese in here. The brown stuff is this Primal Kitchen steak sauce. I got some 3 pieces of beef bacon, a slice of tomato, a couple of slices of avocado, onion, and 1 fried egg on the top. So this is my meal. If I get hungry, I come get me some lunch meat. That's what I did last night. I got me 4 slices of pastrami lunch meat, my water, and I was good. So this is it. There you got it. Hello everybody. It is what's today? Wednesday. So tonight I'm gonna have me a little mozzarella, tomato, onion salad, and then some salmon. I didn't want no beef. I didn't want no chicken. So I went to Trader Joe's and got me a piece of salmon that's skinless and boneless. And I'm gonna have with that a tomato, mozzarella, onion salad. So I have my little tomato out right here. It is organic. I bought some burrata fresh mozzarella. This is the one that has like a creamy cheese in the middle, and they're big. And then I got my onion cut up. But to make the sauce, you can either do like an extra virgin olive oil with some salt and pepper, or if you want to spice it up, which I wanted to spice it up because I don't have any extra virgin olive oil. All I have is avocado oil, and I didn't want to use that. So basically you use mayo. This is the mayo I use. I like Hellman's, but trying to watch what I eat. And it does taste a little bit different with this mayo, but it's okay. So you need mayo, whatever kind you want, some of this Solid Supreme, and some apple cider vinegar. Basically, I just use like maybe 2 tablespoons of mayo, a shake or 2 of this Solid Supreme, and you want to add the apple cider vinegar little by little and taste it, because if you put too much, it's going to be too loose and it's going to taste like apple cider vinegar is going to take over the taste. So this is what it looks like. I may have used like a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And so this is what it looks like. So I'm going to just mix my mozzarella and tomato and onion in this sauce, and that's it. So I'll show you what the finished product looks like. So this is my dinner. I just drizzled it over the mozzarella, and then that's butter. Then I poured over my, I should have put that in a separate dish, but it's not a big deal. So I have some salmon. This is about 1 pound. And then that's probably it for the night. If I get hungry, I'll make me some of my beef bacon, or I have some lunch meat in there, so I probably don't have to cook. I just roll me up like 3 or 4 slices of my lunch meat, and I'll eat that for my second meal. But it's 8:40 right now, so we'll see how I feel. But that's it. Mozzarella, tomato, onion salad, and some salmon. Peace. Hello, my divas and handsome men. It is Saturday at 2:31. I don't normally fast long on Saturdays and Sundays. Sometimes I have 3 meals on the weekends, and then I go back to my 2 meals on Monday through Friday. But anyway, I made me some air fryer chicken legs. I did crush up, put in the food processor, some pork rinds to make my own crumbs. I seasoned it with some adobo and some sea salt, pink sea salt by Redmond's. Tossed it in the pork crumbs and put them in the air fryer for, probably about 45 minutes or so on 450. I like my chicken crispy. And then I made a little wing sauce, which is sriracha and butter, melted and poured over the top. So that is what I'm going to eat. This is 5 legs, chicken legs. And later on tonight, I'm going to have some short ribs. Probably. We'll see if I feel like cooking them or how full this keeps me. But I just wanted to show y'all what I was eating. Try it out. See how you like it. If you don't have an air fryer, get you one. You'll love it. You cook everything in there. The only thing I don't cook in there and try to do is like a fried fish type of thing. I'll just go ahead and put some avocado oil in the pan, just enough to cover the pan. If I want fried fish, you know, do it with my pork rind crumbs, if that bees. But I haven't really made too much fried fish. If I want like a some salmon, I'll put it in the air fryer. It's good for that with, you know, my seasonings, lemon juice, and butter. But fried fish, to me, tend to not come out good in the air fryer. I don't know what it is, but anywho, that's all I got for you. So I'll see y'all later. Have a good weekend.